Good morning. Welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. It's Wednesday morning. This is our active rest day. So we'll be doing a routine, a Pilates routine called Flex Your Torso. And it's basically 7 moves, takes about 5 minutes. It's kind of a roll forward move. I can't remember what they call it, neck pull where you're really trying to bend. This one is your flexion. It talks about in the description using flexion, and it says bending at 2 joints to bring them closer together. I'm not sure what that means, but they talk about using the hip joint and the leg bones. But anyway, we'll go through the moves. I've done this several times. I know it gives a good stretch. So, it's a good kind of a core work where you're flexing your core and you're getting some good stretch in your back area, lower back, and in your glutes and hamstrings. So anyway, we're gonna go through these 7 moves, get them done, and then we'll go on a walk. It's raining outside right now, has been kind of all night, and it's not raining as hard now as it was before. If it's still raining afterwards, we'll do a quick walk inside, probably set the timer for some period of time, maybe 25 to 30 minutes, and that's what we'll do it. We'll do a 30-minute walk inside and call it a day. So, all right, let's get this done. Let's get this Flex Your Torso done and do a walk, and then we'll chat. Let's do it. Here we go. Well, that's got Wednesday's active rest day in the books, or done, or however you want to say it. So the Flex Your Torso, that went well. I got some good flexing in and got some good stretching in. So yeah, no, it was good. Really like the lateral flexion. That one's definitely gets both sides. It gets the contraction side, the side you're leaning in, and the opposite side, it gets a good stretch. So yeah, no, those feel good. Be good if they actually had that for a little bit more. Always though, I'm getting better, but by the time I get to the last roll up or neck pull, the flat sit up, my abs are wore out by then. So definitely getting something out of it from an ab perspective, but yeah, no, good routine. So yeah, I'm just cycle through I got 5 or 6 of these routines I cycle through. So I go back and look what's the next one, and this one was on the books, so that's what we got done. Got out and got a walk. It spit on me the whole time. Some pretty big drops every now and then. Kind of scared me, and lightning twice off in the distance. So I figured the rain was coming, and it feels like it might be again. So, but yeah, still got my 1.5 miles in. That's why I'm gonna reduce down to 1.5 miles for this last week and a half that we've got left. And just to get through the last week of the incremental cycle. So we can make sure and have some energy for squats and for bench and for pull-ups. So we'll see what happens if we just reduce down the jogging, take the jogging out and pull the walking in, and we'll pick the jogging back up again after this. So we'll see if we can make it fit into some other routine. So anyway, that's it. We're gonna take her on in, get the things done, get Wednesday on the road, get up over the hump, and get on the downhill side. Let's do it, folks. So you guys get out there and get some longevity training in so you can meet age with grace. Go do it, folks. All right, we'll let you go. You guys be safe. Take care.